Understanding the role of a section leader. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the meaning and use of the term section leader. This phrase is common in various contexts, from music to military, and understanding its nuances can enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in. The term section leader refers to a person who leads a specific section or group within a larger organization. This role involves responsibilities like guiding, managing, and representing the members of that particular section. It's important to note that a section leader is not always the top leader of the entire organization but holds authority within their designated area. 1. In music, in an orchestra or band, a section leader is responsible for leading a particular section of instruments, like strings or brass. They ensure the section plays in harmony and follows the conductor's directions. 2. In education, in schools or universities, a section leader might oversee a group of students in a particular subject or activity, guiding their learning process. 3. In military, in the military, a section leader commands a small unit or team within a larger force, responsible for their training, discipline, and performance. 4. In workplaces, in corporate or professional settings, a section leader might lead a department or team, ensuring the group meets its goals and objectives. A good section leader typically possesses qualities such as strong leadership skills, effective communication abilities, team-building skills, and organizational competence. They should be able to motivate their section, resolve conflicts, and represent their team's interests in larger organizational discussions. Understanding the role of a section leader is crucial in various settings. Whether in music, education, military, or workplace, section leaders play a key role in ensuring the success and harmony of their groups. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into this important role. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English learning session.